Welcome to All Old Rare Coins channel. Today's video where we dive deep into the fascinating world of coin collecting and explore the value and worth of the 2019 USA $2 coin. If you're a coin enthusiast or just someone curious about the hidden treasures in your pocket change, you won't want to miss this. The USA $2, also known as the Washington quarter, has a rich history that stretches back to 1932. Over the years, the coin has undergone many changes in design and composition, with each version telling a unique story. The 2019 $2 is particularly interesting because it is part of the America the Beautiful Quarter series, celebrating the diverse and iconic national parks and historic sites across the United States. In 2019, 5 unique designs were issued, representing Lowell National Historical Park, American Memorial Park, War in the Pacific National Historical Park, San Antonio Missions National Historical Park, and Frank Church River of No Return Wilderness. Each design captures the essence of these landmarks and serves as a miniature work of art. But what makes the 2019 $2 so special for collectors? There are several factors, including rarity, condition, and even mint errors. Let's start with rarity. While these coins were mass-produced for circulation, certain editions, such as those from specific mints or with low production numbers, are harder to find. Coins from the San Francisco Mint, for example, are often produced in smaller quantities, making them more desirable. Next, let's talk about condition. Collectors often seek coins in pristine, uncirculated condition. These coins retain their original luster and sharp details, significantly increasing their value. To check your coin's condition, examine its surface for scratches, wear, or discoloration. A coin that looks as though it just came out of the mint could be worth much more than one with visible signs of circulation. Finally, one of the most exciting aspects of coin collecting is the possibility of discovering a mint error. Errors occur during the production process and can include things like double strikes, off-center strikes, or incorrect planchet usage. These mistakes make the coin unique and highly valuable to collectors. If you have a 2019 $2 with a noticeable error, it could be worth a small fortune. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, the potential value of this coin. While most 2019 $2 are worth their face value of 25 cents, there are rare exceptions. Coins in near-perfect condition, with a grade of MS68 or higher, have been known to fetch impressive sums at auctions, and here's the real kicker: one particular 2019 $2, featuring a rare mint error and graded at an exceptionally high level, sold for an astonishing $35,000. Yes, you heard that right. A single quarter fetched a price that could change someone's life. So, next time you're sorting through your spare change, take a closer look at those quarters. Who knows? You might just discover a hidden gem that could be worth thousands. Now, we'll take a closer look at the 1979 USA $2 coin and explore why this seemingly ordinary coin could hold extraordinary value. If you've ever wondered about the hidden treasures in your pocket change or want to know how much a simple quarter could be worth, stay tuned because this story will amaze you. The USA $2, also called the Washington quarter, has been a cornerstone of American currency since its introduction in 1932. It features the iconic portrait of George Washington on the obverse and a majestic eagle on the reverse, a design that symbolizes strength and resilience. By 1979, the Washington quarter was a familiar coin, but not all quarters from this year are created equal. What makes the 1979 quarter so intriguing to collectors? There are several factors, including mint marks, condition, and the possibility of rare minting errors. Let's start by talking about mint marks. These small letters indicate where the coin was produced, such as D for Denver, S for San Francisco, or no mint mark for Philadelphia. Quarters minted in San Francisco during this period were often proof coins, specially struck with sharper details and a mirror-like finish. If you find a 1979 quarter with an S mint mark in pristine condition, you might be looking at something special. Condition plays a huge role in a coin's value. Collectors seek coins that are in excellent shape, free of scratches, discoloration, or signs of wear. Coins in mint state condition, especially those graded MS67 or higher, can command a premium price. To determine your coin's grade, you may need to consult a professional grading service, but even a visual inspection can reveal whether you have a potential treasure. One of the most thrilling aspects of coin collecting is discovering a mint error. In 1979, a variety of errors occurred during production, such as off-center strikes, double die obverse, or planchet defects. These errors make the coin unique and highly desirable among collectors. For example, a quarter with a noticeable double die error, where the design appears doubled, can be worth a significant amount of money. Another important aspect of coin value is rarity. While millions of 1979 quarters were minted, only a small percentage remain in exceptional condition or feature unique characteristics. Coins that stand out due to their rarity or unusual features often sell for astounding prices at auctions. Now, let's talk about the moment you've been waiting for, the potential value of the 1979 quarter dollar. While most quarters from this year are worth their face value of 25 cents, some rare examples have fetched incredible sums. The highest recorded sale for a 1979 Washington quarter was a jaw-dropping $80,000. That's right, a simple quarter sold for an amount that could buy a luxury car or even a small home. Imagine finding such a treasure in your loose change. It's stories like these that make coin collecting such an exciting and rewarding hobby. So, the next time you come across a 1979 quarter dollar, don't overlook it. Take a closer look for mint marks, errors, and overall condition. You might just have a fortune in your hands. In the next, we're uncovering the fascinating story of the 1982 USA quarter dollar coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just someone curious about the treasures hiding in your spare change, you're about to discover why this coin has captured the attention of collectors worldwide. The Washington quarter has been a staple of American currency since its introduction in 1932, honoring the first president of the United States, George Washington. By 1982, the coin was a familiar presence in the pockets and purses of millions of Americans. However, not all 1982 quarters are created equal. Some of these coins are incredibly special, and if you have one, it might just be worth more than you ever imagined. What makes the 1982 quarter dollar so unique? For starters, this year marked a major shift in the way quarters were produced. Due to economic conditions and a focus on reducing costs, the United States Mint decided not to produce proof sets or uncirculated sets for collectors in 1982. This means there are far fewer high-quality examples of the 1982 quarter compared to other years. Condition is a critical factor when it comes to determining the value of any coin, and the 1982 quarter dollar is no exception. Coins that have been preserved in near-perfect condition, free from scratches, discoloration, or wear, are considered highly desirable by collectors. If your 1982 quarter still retains its original shine and details, it could be worth much more than its face value of 25 cents. Another key factor that adds to the intrigue of the 1982 quarter is the possibility of minting errors. Mint errors occur during the production process and can result in unique coins that stand out from the rest. For example, an off-center strike, a missing mint mark, or a double die error can turn an ordinary quarter into a collector's dream. If you happen to find a 1982 quarter with any of these characteristics, it's time to get it appraised because it could be incredibly valuable. Rarity also plays a significant role in the value of this coin. With no special collector's sets produced in 1982, finding a quarter in pristine condition from this year is already a challenge. Add in the potential for unique mint errors, and it's easy to see why collectors are willing to pay a premium for these coins. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, the potential value of the 1982 quarter dollar coin. While most quarters from this year are still worth their face value, there are rare exceptions that can fetch jaw-dropping prices. The highest recorded sale of a 1982 Washington quarter was an astonishing $50,000. Yes, a single quarter sold for an amount that could change someone's life forever. Imagine discovering such a treasure in your coin jar or tucked away in a drawer. It's the thrill of these possibilities that makes coin collecting so exciting. So, the next time you come across a 1982 quarter, don't overlook it. Examine it carefully for mint marks, condition, and potential errors. Who knows? You might just uncover a hidden fortune. Now, we're shining the spotlight on the 1994 USA $quarter coin. This seemingly common coin may have more to it than meets the eye, and if you've got one, you might be holding a piece of history worth a small fortune. Stick around as we explore why this coin has become a collector's favorite and uncover its incredible value potential. The Washington quarter has been a symbol of American heritage since its introduction in 1932. Its iconic design featuring George Washington on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse is instantly recognizable. By 1994, this quarter had become a staple of everyday transactions, but some quarters from that year are far from ordinary. Several factors can transform a 1994 $quarter into a collector's treasure. Let's start with rarity. While millions of quarters were minted in Philadelphia and Denver that year, not all of them are equally valuable. Proof coins struck in San Francisco with an S mint mark are of particular interest to collectors. These coins were made specifically for collectors and boast sharper details and a mirror-like finish. However, even regular circulation quarters can be worth far more than face value under the right circumstances. Condition is one of the most critical elements in determining a coin's value. Collectors are always on the hunt for coins in pristine, uncirculated condition. A 1994 quarter that has been carefully preserved, showing no signs of wear or damage, could command a significant premium. If your coin still shines as if it were minted yesterday, you might have something special. Now, let's talk about the exciting world of mint errors. Minting errors are like winning the lottery for coin enthusiasts. They occur when something goes wrong during the production process, resulting in unique and rare coins. Errors like double dies, off-center strikes, or even planchet flaws can make a 1994 quarter incredibly valuable. Each error tells a story of how the coin slipped through quality control and made its way into circulation. Another intriguing aspect of the 1994 quarter is the potential for low mintage coins. Coins produced in smaller quantities are naturally rarer and tend to be more desirable to collectors. If you've got a quarter with an unusual feature or mint mark, it's worth investigating further. Finally, let's address the moment you've been waiting for, the jaw-dropping value of this coin. While most 1994 quarters are worth their face value, there are rare exceptions. A perfectly preserved 1994 quarter, especially one with a unique error or in a high-grade condition, can fetch a remarkable price at auction. The most astonishing sale of a 1994 Washington quarter was an incredible $42,000. That's right, a single quarter sold for the price of a luxury car or even a down payment on a house. Imagine finding such a treasure in your pocket change or an old coin jar. This is what makes coin collecting so thrilling. Every coin has a story, and every collection holds the potential for discovery. So, the next time you come across a 1994 quarter, don't dismiss it as just another coin. Especially, we're diving into the story of the 2021 USA $quarter coin. You may think of it as just another coin in your pocket, but what if I told you it could be worth far more than you imagine? Stick with us as we uncover what makes this modern coin so intriguing and why it could be a jackpot for collectors. The 2021 $quarter coin is part of the distinguished Washington Quarter series. It continues the tradition of honoring George Washington on the obverse, a design that has been a symbol of American currency since 1932. However, the reverse of the 2021 quarters tells a completely different story, with some designs belonging to the America the Beautiful series and others featuring the new Washington crossing the Delaware design. This combination of history and artistry makes the 2021 quarter a standout in the world of modern coins. What sets the 2021 quarter apart isn't just its design. There are several factors that can transform this seemingly ordinary coin into a collector's treasure. One of these is condition. Coins in pristine, uncirculated condition, those that look as though they just rolled off the minting presses, are highly sought after. The fewer scratches, marks, or signs of wear a coin has, the higher its potential value. Minting errors also play a major role in boosting a coin's worth. Mistakes made during production, such as off-center strikes, double-die errors, or even missing details, make these coins rare and incredibly desirable. These errors turn an everyday coin into a unique piece of art, and collectors will pay a premium for these rarities. Additionally, the mint mark can be a key detail. Coins minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco each have distinguishing characteristics. While quarters with P and D mint marks are more common, those with an S mint mark, often made for proof sets, are produced in smaller quantities and exhibit exceptional quality. Another reason to keep an eye on the 2021 quarter is its role in modern numismatics. As part of a transitional year in designs, these quarters may hold a unique place in history. Quarters with the Washington crossing the Delaware reverse design, for instance, mark the end of the long-running America the Beautiful series, making them especially significant to collectors. Let's not forget about the power of rarity. While millions of quarters are minted each year, only a tiny fraction might stand out due to exceptional quality, mint errors, or special characteristics. These rare coins are the ones that attract attention at auctions and among serious collectors. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for. How much could your 2021 quarter-dollar coin actually be worth? While most 2021 quarters are worth their face value of 25 cents, there are rare examples that have shocked the numismatic world. Coins in perfect condition or featuring unique errors have been known to sell for astonishing prices. The most remarkable sale of a 2021 quarter to date was an incredible $42,000. That's right, a single quarter sold for a life-changing amount, proving that even modern coins can hold extraordinary value. So, what does this mean for you? It's time to start checking your change, examining every quarter you come across, and looking for those special details that could set it apart. Who knows? You might be holding a hidden fortune in your hands right now. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of the 2019, 1979, 1982, 1994, and 2021 USA quarter-dollar coins. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about valuable coins, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your stories in the comments. Whether you found a rare coin or just want to know more, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy collecting.